Hello everyone, my name is Atiur Rasool and welcome to my CS50 final project presentation, which is called Food Expiry Tracker. It is a Flask web application that helps users manage food items and tracks expiration dates. The goal of my application is to reduce food waste and help users remember when foods are about to expire. I used Python, Flask, SQLite, Flask-Mail, APScheduler, and Werkzeug security to build the application. Now let's run the project. This is the backend of my project, and I used VS Code to develop my application. To run the application, let's type on the terminal python of app.py. Now hit enter. The moment I hit the enter button, the login page link of my application will be generated. Let's click on the link. Let's log in into my application. This is the dashboard of my application. So when users open the application, they can register for a new account or log in into an existing one. This is the existing one account. Passwords are securely hashed using Werkzeug security. After logging in, users can access their personal dashboard where they can add food items. Also, they can enter food name, category, purchase date, and expiry date. Then the app automatically checks expiration dates and assigns a status. The status are fresh, warning, and expired. Users can also delete food items from the dashboard. One of the main features of this project is the email alert system. The app automatically sends email notification when food has expired or going to expire today or going to expire tomorrow. To avoid spam, the system only sends one alert email per user each day. Project uses SQLite with two tables, and those tables are user table and food table. My app scheduler runs a background task every 24 hours to check for expiring food automatically. Some important flags rules which are included: login register and food or DE and logger. One challenge I faced was implementing automatic email alerts without sending the duplicate notifications. I solved this by storing the last alert date in the database. In the future, I would like to add barcode scanning, food image uploads, and mobile responsiveness. Thank you for watching my CS50 final project presentation. This is Atiur Rasool signing out.